In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to download kalilinux. First, we need to download a virtualization software to run kalilinux on our computer. So for that, we are downloading virtualbox. And download the latest version of VirtualBox. In here, select which OS you are using to download the VirtualBox. So I am going to click Windows. After downloading it, install VirtualBox on your computer. Wait for the installation to complete. The installation is complete. Now let's open the VirtualBox. Ignore these machines that I have previously downloaded. Now I am going to download the new kalilinux. Then click on the download button. This installer image is for complete offline installation of kalilinux. You can set up kalilinux manually with it. But for now, we are going to download the pre-built virtual machine. And in here, we have more options. VMware is in another software like VirtualBox. You can download it and run kalilinux through VMware software if you want. In here, we are going to download the VirtualBox and wait for the download to complete. This file can't run now in VirtualBox. We need to extract it. So for that, download the 7-zip to extract the file. In here, download the latest version of 7-zip file. I'll give all the download links in the description. Now install the 7-zip file on your computer. Then go to the download section and select the kalilinux file that we have downloaded. And open with Choose Another App option. Then scroll down and select Choose an App on your PC. In here, select the 7-zip folder, and in that folder, select the 7-zip manager. Now select the file and click on the Extract button to extract it. You can also choose your preferred location to extract the file on your computer. Then just click OK and wait for it to extract. And wait for the extraction to complete. Now we have successfully extracted the file. Let's find the file in the download section. Open the kalilinux folder, and in here you can see a file with blue icon. Just double-click the file, and you will be redirected to the VirtualBox. Simple as that. Here you can see our kalilinux has added to the VirtualBox. Now go to Settings. You can adjust your Kali's RAM and processor and adjust it based on your PC specifications. Now I am going to give 4 GB RAM because I have 8 GB RAM in my PC. In processor, I am going to give 4 cores. Here's showing our kalilinux storage. You don't need to change any other options in here. You are all set. Just select OK and click the Start button. You don't need to do anything in the booting screen. Just wait. It is a pre-built machine, so it already has a username and password. Both is Kali. Yay, we have successfully installed the kalilinux. If your kalilinux is like this mini screen, go to the View option and just click the full screen mode. Now it's all done, you can explore kalilinux and use its benefits. In the next video, I will show you guys some basic commands and its functions. And that's all for this video. Bye-bye. I hope this video is useful to you guys. Thanks for watching.